Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video we are going to examine file feature number 4 in the Google Docs series, which is known as Make a Copy. With that being said, let's begin. So, when I go to my sample document, to find file feature number 4, I need to left-click on File and scroll down to Make a Copy. I then left-click on Make a Copy. This menu will then appear. I can change the name of my document in this box. By doing so, I can help maintain my organization within my Google Drive. So I'll call the new document Sample Google Document 2, just so I know the difference between the two documents. I can even change the folder that the document is stored in by clicking on the folder selection here and selecting the folder where I think the new document should go. This situation can be useful if you want a document in a shared folder versus an unshared folder. However, I can also share it with the same people by clicking on this box so that if I have a document that has been shared already with multiple individuals, they can maintain access to the copy. I can even copy comments and suggestions on the document if I wish to do so as well. Once I have selected all the features I want for the copy of my document, I can click on OK, and then the new document will appear like so. So as can be seen, when creating a copy of a document, it is actually a task that can be useful in a variety of ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.